Can anyone read that problem there? Can you read the problem, anyone? Can you read it? This portion of the book. Can you read it?
So Lalu Prasad, resident of Bihar, reported the following incomes for the previous year 2019-20.
Okay.
Calculate tax liability.
Okay.
Income from business is 3,21,000.
Okay.
Winning from horse race 6,000.
Okay.
Short-term capital gain taxable at a flat rate of 15%, 90,000.
Okay.
Income from other heads 62,000.
Okay. So what is the first income? Income from business. First is income from business. You have to find out whether it is a normal income or casual income or special income. First one is income from business. Income from business. First one. Amount is how much it is? Amount is 3,21,000. Now next income is winning from horse races. Winning from horse races. Amount is 6,000. Third type of income is short-term capital gain taxable at a flat rate of 15%. STCG. Short-term STCG. Short-term capital gain taxable at the rate of 15%. Amount is 90,000. Okay. Then last income is income from other head 62,000. Income from other heads 62,000. Okay. Now we have discussed about three types of income. One is normal income, where you have to remember the table, slab rate of table for normal income. For below 60 years, you have to remember the table. For above 60 to 80 years, you have to remember the table. For more than 80 years, you have to remember the table. That's called, for normal income, you have to calculate slab rates. Which is a normal income from this category? See, normal income is the first one. This one is a normal income. Income from business is normal income. Second one is not a normal income. Is a casual income. Casual income is taxed at the rate of 30%. Flat rate, that is called a flat rate of tax rates, 30%. All casual income is taxed at the rate of 30%. Flat rate, let's say flat rate. Now, short-term capital gain, this is flat rate already given 15%. This is also flat rate of taxes, 15%. You have to calculate 15% on 90,000. This is also called flat rate of taxes. They both are flat rate of taxes. Flat rate of taxes. Flat rates. The first one is casual income. Sorry, the second one is casual income. The first one is normal income. Second one is casual income. Third one is special income, like short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain. Short-term capital gain, by default, you have to calculate 15% on that value. Long-term capital gain, by default, you calculate 20% on that value. Special income. Last one, income is a normal income. Normal income. Okay. So for the first and fourth one, you have to calculate slab rates. Slab rates. You have to remember the table. Slab rates. Remember the table. Schedule is given. Table is given. Already explained in the class. Now, the second one is the casual income. The Meaning from horse races is the casual income. That is called cash. The second one is casual income. The second one is casual income. 30%. Okay, flat rates. The flat rates. And first and fourth is the normal income. Slab rates. Normal income. First and fourth, these two normal income, you have to calculate slab rates table. Second one is casual income, flat rate 30%. 30% you calculate. Third one is the special income. Special income. Special income. What is special income? Short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain special income. With a short-term capital gain, you have to calculate 5%, 15% by default. With a long-term capital gain, you calculate 20% by default. This is by default. You remember the percentage. Okay. Now we go for the calculate normal income. We will see the slab rates. Now in that problem, age is not given. Age is not given. We have to assume that he is below 60 years. So below 60 years, you have to see the slab rate of tax tables below 60 years. Now we take a normal income, calculation of normal income according to normal income according to slab rates. So we draw the table in the examination. It's very important to draw the table. Without table, you will not get marks. Is a normal citizen, below 60 years citizen. It's not senior or super senior because nothing is mentioned. By default, we have to treat as normal citizen. So we take the table 0 to 2.5 lakhs. Okay, this is 0%, 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, 5%, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 20%, about 10 lakhs, 30% you have to pay the tax. This is called the slab rate of taxes. Okay. Now, what is the normal income? Put together. There are two normal incomes. First and fourth. Add these two. Club it. All normal income, club it. So how much you get normal income? 3,21,000. Yes. 3,21,000 plus 62,000. Plus these two. So how much you get? 3 lakh. How much? 83,000 is the total normal income that is given in the problem. Okay. So you have to see 3,83,000 falls in which category? First or second or third or fourth? It falls in second category. That means in between 2 and 2 to 5 lakhs. Okay. Now 0 to 2.5. What is the value? What is the difference? 2 lakhs 50,000 and 2 lakhs. First 3,50,000 nil tax. 0% tax, that is nil. Okay. Now, since this 3,83,000 falls in second category, so what is the remaining amount? What is the remaining amount? Out of this total, this is over. 2.5 lakhs is over. What is leftover amount? See, this total should be 3,83,000. This total should be 3,83,000.
So 1,33,000.
Very good. 1,33,000. Calculate 5%. How much it comes? 5% on 1,33,000. How much you got? 5% on 1,33,000. How much you got? 5% on 1,33,000. Fast.
So is 6,650.
Okay. So what is the basic income tax amount in the total taxes? 6650. This is the basic income tax. Only normal income, not all the incomes. Only first and before, not all the incomes. So for normal income, basic income tax is 6,650. Okay. Now we will calculate casual income. What is the tax rate you will apply? 30%. Flat tax rate. Okay. So I write down. This is over. This normal income part is over. This is the basic income tax. This is called BIP, basic income tax. Now you have to calculate casual income tax rate. Casual income tax rate will calculate now. So casual income. So given the 6,000 winning from all sources, casual income 30% by default. Calculate 30% on 6,000. You will get 1,800. 30% flat rate. So this is tax on casual income. Basic income tax on casual income. This is tax on normal income. This is tax on casual income. Now, what is the remaining? Special income. What is special income? Short-term capital gain is given percentage 15% on what is the amount? 90,000. How much is 15% on 90,000? 15% on 90,000. How much it comes to? Comes to 15% on 90,000.
13,500.
14,500.
13,000.
14,500. 13,500. Now this is 13,500 is the basic income tax on special income, that is short-term capital gain. Okay. You got these three basic income tax. First, basic income tax on normal income. Second, basic income tax on special income, that is horse races, 30% flat rate. And third, special income based income tax, 15%. This is a flat rate. The 30%, 15% by default, you should remember, it's called flat rate of taxes. And this is flat rate of, you remember the table for normal citizen, for senior and super senior. And this table is very important. Now, let us put all the basic income tax. Let us add up all the basic income taxes. I'll drop it, okay? I'll drop it and add up all the basic income taxes. So remember this. We got the different values for basic income tax for different types of income. Okay, so we'll add up all the basic income tax values. I'll rub here the topmost one.
Sir, can you do some camera up, sir?
Okay. Now it is being recorded. This is a recording session. You can log into Moodle and have a glance of this. Okay. Now, basic income tax. Now, BIP on normal income. Basic income tax on normal income. How much you got? 6650. 6650. Then, same basic income tax on casual income. That is horse race. Horse race. How much you got horse race? Basic income tax. What you calculated? 1800. 1800. Third, basic income tax on special income, that is short-term capital gain. I'm reading in short-term, ST, short-term capital gain. You got how much? 13,500. 13,500. Add up, you get total basic income tax, total BIP, basic income tax. Add up all the total BIP. How much you get? Add up all the basic income tax values, you get 21. How much you get? 21,950. Okay, 21,950. 21,950. Then what you will do next? What is next step? What is next step? You got total basic income tax 21,950. What is next step? Anyone? What is next step? What is next step? What is next step? What do you do next step? One more step is there. So one or two steps are there. Any one. What do you do again? To calculate tax liability, what we are doing? Tax liability, what we have to do now? This is not a tax liability. This is only basic income tax of different types of income. To calculate tax liability, what we are doing? Anyone? If you attend the starting classes, you will come to know. What we have to do? To calculate tax liability, what we are doing? Yes. What we have to add? What we have to add? Anyone? What we have to add? Anyone? What we have to add? Add what? Add what? Hurry up. To calculate tax liability to basic income tax, what we will add? Hurry up. What will add?
So no idea.
You did not attend the starting classes.
No, sir. I didn't attend.
Okay, so anyone from the class? I think one or two have attended the starting classes. What we have to add it? What we have to add it? So we have to add health education cess at the rate of 4%. But stop it. We have discussed, remember, if your total income is below 5 lakhs, tax rebate, you get a tax rebate. If the total income is below 5 lakhs, you get a tax rebate. What is the total income? What is total income? You add up the total income. First, income from business. Income from business. This is the working notes I say there. It's a working notes here. Write down working notes. This is the working notes. Now, income from business is how much? We have 21,000. First income. What's next income? Winning from power sources is how much? 6,000. Okay. What's next income? Short-term capital gain is how much? 90,000. What is the last income? Income from other is how much? 62,000. Add up all the income. You will get gross total income or total income. Add up is 0, 0. This is how much it is? It is 0. 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 17, 4. What is your total income? 4,79,000. Okay. So you will get tax rebate. Your total income is below 5 lakhs. You will get a tax rebate of how much? You will get tax rebate. A tax rebate you have to subtract. You have to subtract, reduce tax rebate, sir, under section 87. So why should I get tax rebate, sir? Because your income is total income is below 5 lakh rupees. Your total income is below 5 lakh rupees. You will get a tax rebate, sir. How much, sir? It is 12,500, sir. How much you get tax rebate? 12,500 here. Don't forget it. If your total income, all the income put together, If it is below 5 lakhs or 5 lakhs, you will get tax rebate of 12,500, sir. Okay, you are reduced from the total basic income tax. Reduce that value from total basic income tax. Okay, now minus 12,500. Why? Because again, tax rebate. Why? Because your total income is below 5 lakh rupees. Okay. How much is it? I'm subtracting 9,450. 9,450. Now, on this you have to calculate health and education cess 4%. Add HEC. H means health. E means education. C means cess. You have to calculate health education cess at the rate of 4%. It means at the rate of, this is by default 4% on 9450. You calculate, add the value, you will get tax liability. You will get tax liability. Calculate 4% on 9450. It's called health and education cess. The special tax is collected for health and education, that is called the cess. CESS. Find out 4% on, at the rate of 4% on 9450, how much you got? How much you got? 4% on 9450. How much? How much about
378.
370. So add 370. Add it, you will get total tax liability. So total tax liability is 9,000. 9,828. This is the answer. This is how to calculate tax liability if different types of income are given. Okay, one is slab rates. Second one is flat rates. Cash income, we have to calculate 30%. Okay, winning from lottery, winning from horse races, winning from KBC competitions is called cash income. You have to calculate 30% by default. Is a short-term special income. Short-term capital gain, you have to calculate 15% by default. Long-term capital gain, you have to calculate 20% by default. They are called flat rates. Slab rate is different for different age group. Normal person, senior person, super senior person. The different table for different age group. Nothing is mentioned is a normal person. Okay, so this is how to calculate tax liability. The first problem we done. Look at the second problem.
Sir,
Yeah.
so what is the tax rebate rate?
Tax rebate. If the total income is below 5 lakh rupees, add up all your income, you will get tax rebate of 12,500.
So what's the rate?
No rate, amount.
Achha, that's a fixed amount.
Fixed amount.
Okay.
Okay, don't forget it. When you get the fixed amount, your total income is less than 5 lakh rupees or equal to 5 lakh rupees. No rate, only amount is there. Okay, so the fixed amount. It can directly reduce from your basic income tax. And after that, you calculate education cess. HEC, health and education cess. 4% is a fixed rate. The fixed doesn't change. Flat rate, we can say. Okay. So on casual income, fixed rate 30%. On short-term capital gain, fixed rate 15%. On long-term capital gain, fixed rate 20%. So the next problem is very easy, very simple. Age 84 years, super senior. Super senior. Age 84 years. Income is given. Income from other sources, 5,25,000. Income from long-term capital 90,000. Calculate tax liability. Come. Tell me the. I'll remove this. Okay, I'll remove this. Now, which is a normal income, which is special income. Special income nothing but short-term or long-term capital gain. Casual income nothing but winning from lottery or winning from auspice or winning from competition. So, what's the second problem now? So, first remember 84 years. Super senior. The super senior citizen grandfather. So what first type of income is income from other sources, 5,35,000. Income from other sources. Income from other sources. For 1,25,000. And next income you got is long-term capital gain. Long-term capital gain. We got other income. How much it is? 90,000. Now in this case, the first one is a normal income. Normal income we can calculate according to the slab rate of tax table. This is a special income, and you have to special income flat rate. By default, you have to calculate 20%. Fixed rate 20%, because why 20%? It is a long-term capital gain. It is short-term 15%. Okay. Now we want to calculate for the normal income. Age is 84 years. What is the table? What is the slab rate of table? Age is 84 years. Super senior citizen. Now, normal income. Which is normal income? Income from other sources. So, what is the table mean? Slab rate. Slab rate table. This is called slab rate. So, for senior, super senior citizen, 0 to 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs, no taxes payable. Okay. For senior citizen, 3 to 5 lakhs is exempted. For normal citizen, 2.5 lakhs. For senior citizen, 3 lakhs. Super senior citizen, 5 lakhs, no tax. Then 5 to 10, 20% tax you have to pay. Okay. About 10, 30% tax. This is a slab rate table for super senior, not for normal citizen, not for senior citizen. Okay, what is the value per lakh 25,000? Now, your normal income is 5,25,000. This value comes in which schedule, which category? First or second? It comes in second category, 5 to 10 lakhs. Okay. Now here, first 5 lakhs is over. First 5 lakhs is over, no tax payable. Okay. How much is amount remaining in second? How much is leftover amount here?
25,000.
Yeah. How much?
25,000.
25,000. On 25,000, calculate 20%. Calculate 20%, 25,000.
Five thousand.
5,000. So what is the basic income tax for normal income? 5,000. This is the basic income tax. BIT or normal income. Okay. Now we go for the special income, flat rate of taxes. Long-term capital gain, LTCG. By default, fixed rate, 20% down, 90,000. How much it comes to? 20% down, 90,000. How much it comes to? How much it comes to? 20% 90,000. How much it comes to?
18,000.
18,000. So we got basic income tax on normal income 5,000 and basic income tax on special income 18,000 put together. Total basic income tax is 23,000. Total. Now my question to you is, can we give a tax rebate to him? Can we provide a tax rebate to him? Yes or no? Can we give a tax rebate to him, 12,500? Yes or no? Can we give a tax rebate to him?
No, sir.
Why no?
Because the income is more than 5 lakh.
Very good. So then what you have to do? What you have to add it? What is that? What is
We
that?
have to add health education.
Very
That is
good.
4%.
HEC at the rate of 4%, fixed percentage, 4%. 4% on 23,000. 4% on 23,000. How much is? 4% on 23,000. How much is? How much?
$920, sir.
How much?
$920.
920. So what is the total tax liability? 23,920. This is called tax liability. This is called tax liability. Okay. This is the answer how to calculate tax liability. Okay. If you want to ask any questions, you can ask me now. You can ask any questions, you can ask me now. No questions, I think you might have understood, assume that you might have understood everything. This is the assumptions you are making. Now, just I'll recap this. We have 5 minutes more. I'll recap this slab rate of how to calculate slab rate of taxes. So,
So for long-term borrowing, the rate is 30%.
no, for long-term capital gain, it is 20% fixed rate. For short-term, 15%, 1.5 fixed rate. For casual income, 30% fixed rate. No change. Okay. For long-term, 20% fixed one by default. Short-term, 15%, 1.5. And for casual income, 30%. It is also fixed.
Right, sir.
Fixed means flat rate. Slab rate means the percentage will change depending on the income. Percentage will change if it is a slab rate. For flat rate, fixed rate, percentage will not change, whatever the income may be. For example, slab rate for normal citizen, less than 60 years, If income is 0 to 2.5 lakhs, net taxes payable. If income is in between 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, you have to calculate 5% taxes payable. If income is between 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, you have to pay 20% tax. Okay. If the income is more than 10 lakhs, you have to pay 30% tax. This is applicable to normal citizen below 60 years. Slab rate percentage will be different for depending on income. In flat rate, fixed rate, percentage will be same, whatever the income it is. Okay, now we take suppose your normal income is, let us say, 6 lakh rupees. 6 lakh is normal income. Let us see. Calculate tax liability. What is the tax liability? 6 lakhs. 6 lakh under which category? Third category. 6 lakh under which category? Now we calculate 2.5 lakhs. Net taxes payable. Now, what is the difference? Difference is, how much is difference? 2.5 lakhs. How much are you to pay 2.5 lakhs? 5%. How much it comes to 4,500. Okay. Now, total should be 6 lakhs. Total should be 6 lakhs. In this third category, what is the leftover amount? What is leftover amount?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. On 1 lakh, how much should be calculated? 20%. 20%. 20% on 1 lakh, how much it comes to? 20 lakh. Okay. What is the basic income tax? 32,500. Okay. This is the basic income tax. On that, on this side, you have to add, suppose the income is more than 5 lakh rupees, you have to add 4%. What is the 4%? Fixed rate, HCC. 4% on 32,500, you will get tax liability. You will get tax liability. Tax liability. You get total tax liability. So how much you got? 4% on 32,500. 4% on 30,500.
$1,300.
How much?
1,300.
13. 0.
Yes, sir.
13. So what is total amount? 30.
33,800.
80. Right? This is a tax liability, not a tax liability. Okay. I hope that you understood. Those who are focusing on. And Monday we'll take the next unit. First unit is over. We covered everything. We covered 99.99% of all the topics. So next Monday we take the next unit. Next unit is income from house property. Okay, so we'll take the next unit on Monday. Please focus on the class. Most of you coming from only first. Please focus. Income tax is not an easy subject to pass.